Hi guys, need to show you this project about steel structure, metal stud framing. You can see electrical and plumbing trenches, conduits, dense glass for exterior walls. You can see insulation. They tie to the top cone. Okay, look, because that's for bricks, will be here bricks. Heavy gauge. Here you can see metal stud framing, heavy gauge, sprinkler system, plumbing work, and still metal doors, metal door frames, headers. Okay guys, you can see here headers above door, heavy gauge 6 inches, sprinkler system, metal studs. Here you can see catch basin, they covered with fabric, roofing work, safety stuff, dense glass, insulation here, foam at the bottom, R10. Okay guys, we'll be ready for bricks work. You can see all the grading work for parking lot is ready. Back for the stone, you can see all trenches or ditches here. Back for the stone here, stone there, anything under the parking lot should be back for the stone. Okay guys, that's, you can see rebar joist, metal stud framing, heavy gauge, dense glass, everything is good to go here. Grading work for parking lot, so they will pave soon as per binder. Okay, surveying work, and here you can see concrete transformer pad, square with the building with a good finish, light brown finish. Okay, here you can see fence. So okay, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. I will upload more videos. Thank you guys, bye.